Hi, this is Johanna. Welcome to my weekly vlog. I am so sorry, last week I wasn't able to do any video content on YouTube because I was extremely busy. But thankfully, we're here this week. This is my backyard. It's really wooded. So I just wanted to quickly go over certain things, the uncertainty going on right now. I will be speaking to subject matter experts in the medical field about coronavirus and the impact of this on businesses, especially if you have a brick and mortar business, meaning you have a physical location that you have customers coming in and the precautions you need to take, and also the impact of this on your business in terms of sales. What happens if you don't have customers coming in? How are you going to make money? These are important things we all need to worry about. How do we make money as a business when shops are closing, no one is going out to do business? Okay, stay tuned because I will have more information about this. Can you see that? It's all gone. The freezer is empty. Can you see? Fortunately, they have some shrimp, so which is good for me. Let's see. Nothing. It's all gone. Everything's gone. Yep. The car park is empty. You see? It's empty. It's crazy. This is Sam's Club, and you can see the fridge is empty. And this is the interesting one. Check this out. Tissue, all gone. Water, they still have plenty of water. But tissue, this is also available. That's all tissue. See, this is inside here. It's crazy. It's the only people we can see here right now that are staff. There's absolutely no customer. No one. We just see staffs moving things around. And that's my friend over there. And there's practically nobody here. Lord have mercy. This is crazy. The mall is practically empty. Yes, it's Monday morning, but come on. The mall is empty. So I have my friend here from out of town or from out of country, and it's virtually empty. It's ghost town in here. Ghost town. So this is interesting. You can see clearly that all the stores have reduced hours. Some stores are even closed. Interesting. This is Gap. It's freaky, but it's real.